pale, visitor.
A new face entered the rooms. A quiet step, a hesitant smile. It's not easy being new. Surrounded by unfamiliar people, unfamiliar voices, there's that feeling hindi palagay ang loob. The unease of not knowing if you belong. But someone noticed, not with loud words, but with pakiramdam. The gentle awareness of another person's inner world. The girl said, "Hey, you can sit here with us. Don't worry, you're not alone." That moment changes everything. One small act of empathy, one choice to make someone feel seen. This is how kapwa begins, through understanding, not judgment, true connection, not isolations. When we lead pakiramdam, when we act with compassion, we turn a classroom into a community. Because in the spirit of kapwa, no one is a stranger. We are all part of one another. In fast-moving words, sometimes we forgot to look up. One small moment, one careless step. Irritation rises, kulo ng dugo. That sudden heat, that unexplainable annoyance, a feeling we all know when we think, why can't people just be careful? Sorry, I wasn't paying attention. I was on my phone. Can you forgive me? And just like that, the heat melts. Because with pananagutan, we take responsibility even when it's uncomfortable. We own up to our mistake, not out of fear, but out of respect. In every community, there's always a choice to act or to just walk away. But for a true kapwa, there's no need to be told. When you see something wrong, when you feel that something needs to be done, just act. Do what's right, not for recognitions, but because it is responsibility as part of